Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'll be showing you how to get Captain Kordans Saber, which has Absorb Blade on Strike, Absorb Agility on Strike, and Absorb Endurance on Strike. This particular weapon you just have to buy. You don't need any special skills. And then the other item that we're going to be getting is a ring called the Spectre Ring, which is purchased in the Imperial City, which gives an Fortify Sneak, Fortify Security, Chameleon on Self of 25%, and Feather on Self. If you're not familiar with the stat of Feather, Feather is the ability that makes everything in your inventory weigh less, the more points of Feather that you have, so you can just carry more junk with you wherever you go. And this one, you'll need to have a merchant or a mercantile merchant talkie skill of around 50 to 75. I'm not really sure which one. I just know that I saw another person talk about how to get that ring, you'll need at least 50. So go ahead and make sure that your mercantile is a little bit buffed. You can boost this by just selling stuff to merchants. And since I've got a handy dandy guide on how to duplicate items, you could use this as a methodology to go and get a bunch of gold really quick by just duplicating something expensive and selling it to the merchants in the Imperial capital. So the first place that we want to go is we want to go back to the Imperial City, and in the sort of northwest corner, up by the prison, is the Imperial City Market District. We want to go there first. So once you're here in the Market District, you're going to want to hang an immediate left. And then you're looking for, immediately on your left, the Red Diamond Jewelry Store, which is the last store on your left before you get to this main gate over here that goes to a different district. Go ahead and pop on in there. And the gentleman you want to talk to is right here, Hamloff Redtooth. And then you go ahead and barter with him. And at the very bottom of his menu is the Spectre Ring, which you can see does Fortify Sneak, Fortify Security, Chameleon, and also, something I forgot about, is 100 points of Feather. So you can just buy that for about 14,000 gold, so it's a little pricey, but you can use my item duplication guides in order to make a bunch of really expensive stuff and then sell to the various vendors here in the Imperial City. And then for the weapon that's a really good starter weapon, we're going to go to Cheydinhal or Cheydinhal, I'm not sure how to pronounce this particular town. And we're going to teleport over to the West Gate. And here we're looking for the blacksmith. And the blacksmith should just be over here, off slightly to your right before you head right over to the church. In the center of town, it is the March Rider. We'll pop on in there. And inside of here, you can talk to this lady. And by bartering with her, you'll find the ability to purchase a weapon called Captain Kordans Saber for another 6,000. And that one gives Absorb Blade on Strike, Absorb Agility on Strike, and Absorb Endurance on Strike. And it has a damage of 7, so it's not earth-shattering, but it's still really good pretty early on in the game, which is kind of on par with the Dragon Sword of Leyland, although this one does fire damage. And this one does like an absorb, but it really looks cool. It's like a swashbuckler sword. So there you have it. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been how to get the Spectre Ring and Captain Kordans Saber. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.